this is how we jive for mass communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can replace battery of your Dell notebook. So what we have to do, we have to take out all the cable to close the computer and flip it over. We're gonna take out all the screw from here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screw as I see. 7 here underneath the sticker sometimes you have. So 7 screw I have. I'm using this screwdriver. I have different sort of a screwdriver here. Let's see which one is fit. This one. Okay, this one, the small one. Two more screw at the top. I forget them. So take out total 9 screw you have. Now we can take this off very easy. Normally you have some clip and all that, but this one is one of the most easiest computer to throw apart or take out. So here is the battery. Here we have some connector. Let's see where we have things. I'm trying to lose it slowly. Here we go. Here we have 1 screw. We have to lose this one. Let's do it. Lose this screw. Maybe I take out. You see, the battery is out. This is the connector of the battery, and here is the connector. So it sits directly, nothing else. This is the battery of Dell. Let me show you. 43 WH standard rechargeable battery. Okay, simple. So you buy the same battery according to your model and you put back them again to the same place. Very easy. Push inside, all is fine, and tight the screw. Here we go. And that's all. So this is how you can replace your battery.